A photograph released by U.S. Central Command depicted an EA-18G Growler launching from the USS Abraham Lincoln with an atypical configuration. The aircraft carried an ALQ-99 Tactical Jamming System pod on its left wing and an ALQ-249 Next Generation Jammer Midband NGJ-MB Pod on its right, pairing legacy and next-generation systems on a single platform. This mixed loadout is not standard practice, and no official explanation has been provided for its use in this instance. The Growler serves as the U.S. Navy's dedicated electronic warfare platform, tasked with suppressing enemy air defenses and degrading radar systems to protect strike packages operating in contested environments. Aircraft from Electronic Attack Squadron 133 embarked aboard USS Abraham Lincoln have been actively engaged throughout Operation Epic Fury, operating in tandem with the carrier's full air wing. It is noteworthy here that Raytheon, a subsidiary of RTX Corporation, was awarded a $590 million follow-on contract on December 6, 2024, for continued production of the NGJ-MB Pod. The program's Engineering and Manufacturing Development (EMD) contract was originally awarded in 2016, with the first test article delivered to the U.S. Navy in 2019 and initial production units entering service in July 2023. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes how the new NGJ-MB Pod in EA-18G Growler is playing a crucial role in Iran. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted and fastest VPN brand that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte. NordVPN provides a 256-bit encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy and also enables you to access contents that are blocked based on geolocation. Its threat protection system helps you avoid phishing, scams, and malware. NordVPN application is available for all the major platforms as well as browsers. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive saving by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. The Next Generation Jammer Mid-Band NGJ-MB is an advanced airborne electronic attack AEA system designed for integration on the Growler. Mounted on underwing stations, it interfaces with the aircraft's ALQ-218 electronic warfare suite and functions as both a radio frequency RF receiver and high-power jammer. The pod incorporates dual active electronically scanned array AESA apertures capable of operating across a wide frequency range, supported by an internal ram air turbine that provides onboard electrical power. NGJ-MB represents a significant advancement in electronic warfare capability. It is engineered to deny, disrupt, and degrade sophisticated radar systems, communications networks, data links, and emerging non-traditional RF threats. According to Raytheon, the system reduces adversary targeting effectiveness, disrupts kill chains, and enhances the survivability of kinetic strike assets by providing persistent electronic attack support through weapons time of flight. As an externally carried AEA capability, NGJ-MB is optimized for operations within the mid-band portion of the electromagnetic spectrum. It forms one element of the broader Next Generation Jammer NGJ program, which also includes the low-band NGJ-LB and high-band NGJ-HB variants. Collectively, these systems are designed to cover frequency ranges spanning approximately 100 MHz to 18 GHz, divided across low 100 MHz to 2 GHz, mid 2 to 6 GHz, and high 6 to 18 GHz bands. The ALQ-99, originally introduced in 1972, is an aging system that is increasingly challenged to address the full spectrum of electronic warfare requirements posed by modern, highly capable threats. It is also associated with several operational limitations, including interference with friendly radar systems, significant aerodynamic and power burdens on the host aircraft, and a high workload for the two-person Growler crew. By contrast, the NGJ-MB incorporates a fully digital, software-defined architecture that enables rapid reprogramming and adaptability against evolving threat systems. Its modular design streamlines maintenance and facilitates incremental upgrades, ensuring sustained operational relevance over its service life. This inherent flexibility allows the system to remain responsive to emerging adversary capabilities. The NGJ-MB is equipped with active electronically scanned array AESA antennas, enabling precise, high-power, and dynamically steerable jamming beams. This improves effectiveness while minimizing fratricide and interference with friendly systems. In addition to electronic attack, the system supports electronic intelligence, ELINT collection, disruption of adversary networks, and suppression of enemy air defenses, SEAD. According to RTX, the NGJ-MB offers several advantages over the ALQ-99, including significantly extended operational range, the ability to engage multiple targets simultaneously, more advanced and adaptable jamming techniques, and an open systems architecture that allows scalability across missions and platforms. The NGJ-MB supports 4 primary electronic attack mission profiles: standoff jamming, modified escort, penetrating escort, and stand-in jamming. In practice, U.S. Navy air crews are expected to predominantly employ the standoff and modified escort profiles. Electronic warfare, EW, is among the most critical and technically sophisticated components of modern military operations. It encompasses a broad spectrum of activities and systems designed to deny, degrade, disrupt, or exploit an adversary's use of the electromagnetic spectrum. In an operational environment where information dominance and resilient communications are decisive, EW capabilities are indispensable for maintaining a tactical and strategic advantage. These capabilities span both defensive measures, protecting friendly forces from electronic threats, and offensive actions aimed at suppressing, deceiving, or exploiting adversary electronic systems. Effective execution of EW operations demands a comprehensive understanding of the electromagnetic spectrum, supported by advanced sensors, jamming systems, and signal processing technologies. The introduction of the NGJ-MB represents a significant enhancement in capability and is a critical upgrade for the Growler fleet. In contested airspace, such as during the initial phase of Operation Epic Fury, the Growler assumes a proactive role, shaping the electromagnetic battlespace ahead of strike packages and providing protection to launch platforms operating at standoff ranges. In more permissive environments, where air superiority has already been established, as is currently the case in Iran, Growlers continue to deliver critical support by suppressing residual radar emissions and mitigating remaining surface-to-air missile threats. The Growler is expected to carry 1 NGJ-MB pod on each wing station. However, observed split loadouts may reflect either current limitations in pod availability or a deliberate phase transition strategy to integrate the new system without disrupting operational readiness. Regardless of the specific configuration employed during recent operations over Iran, the EW effects generated were a decisive enabler, contributing significantly to the ability of strike aircraft to penetrate defenses and successfully engage their targets.